Peace and awesome day to you. Welcome back to my channel. Anna Esmeralda here. And today we're up for another video. And sa video na ito, I'm going to transform myself into the Wonderwoman, Gadot. So she is an Israeli and her beauty is really different from American actresses or other celebrities, right? So if you're interested and if you want to watch the transformation, make sure first to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to keep you updated. So let's go now into the video. With the same sponge na ginagamit ko, I'll just spread the foundation. Let's go to the brows. Gal Gadot's eyebrows are really arched. Para fierce, parang nalilift yung eyes. So, I'll try following. Concealer.